Objects Library, Favorites Library, and Object Placement. Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we will review how to set up your Favorites Library and the basics of designing a floor plan. The library has an extensive collection of objects ranging from tables with seats, tables without seats, and furniture. To narrow the search, the category and type drop-down menus are available. Descriptor words can also be typed in the search bar to populate desired objects. Within All Seated, you will be able to set favorite items within the library. To do this, hover your mouse on the object you wish to favorite and select the right star located on the left-hand side. The star will now turn orange. This favorite item will reflect under the View drop-down menu labeled Favorites. This menu will also populate first each time you begin to diagram. You can add or remove items to or from your favorites list at any time by simply clicking the star icon. Let's begin designing our floor plans. If you wish to place an object from your object library onto your floor plan, you will click to select the object and then click to release the object onto your floor plan. If you wish to move an object on your floor plan, again, you will click to select it and click to release the object. To select and move multiple objects, you will click and drag your cursor around the objects to select them. We call this lassoing. Now you can move the multiple objects together. You can move these multiple objects slightly by using your arrows on your keyboard. If you wish to delete an object, you can do so by selecting the object and clicking the small X on the top right corner of the border around the object, or by clicking the Delete key on your keyboard. Another quick way to populate your floor plan is by using the Auto Layout tool. Hover your cursor over an object in the object library. In the bottom right corner, you will see the Auto Layout tool icon. Click the icon, and in the Properties window that appears, choose which shape you would like to use to lay out your tables and input the desired spacing between the objects. Now, moving your cursor onto the floor plan, you will notice the crosshairs. Click and drag over the area you want your tables to be laid out in. Once you have completed the dragging motion to populate objects on your floor plan, you will be able to update any of the auto layout information that is found in the pop-up box. When you are finished, click OK, and you're all set. Thank you for joining us for our Object Library tutorial. We hope this information was helpful.